important. But how can you have a conversation when the day before the ADMM, the Ministry of Defense of China came out with a statement that we have to mend our ways and or suffer the consequences, and that the Philippines is blackmailing China? Would you talk to, or would you offer to talk to somebody who slammed your country that way? Of course not. I mean, if I would be willing to talk if there was a semblance of good faith. Kung nagpakita ng sinseridad, kakausapin ko, bakit hindi? Pero kakausapin mo na the day before sinabi binablockmail natin ng China, pagkatapos magbago daw tayo ng mend your ways. Para ba't, biro mo magsasabi sila, gusto namin makipag-usap, mabait kami, pag sasabihan ka on the other hand na gano'n. Sampal sa mukha yun. Kaya hindi ko tatanggapin.